channel. In today's video, we will be learning how to write the letters F, G, H, I, and J in a fun and easy way. So, let's get started. First, we will learn how to write the letter F. To write the letter F, we start with a straight line down like this. And then draw a line across at the top, followed by a small line down the center of the straight line. Let's write it together and color the letter F. Good! Now we have the letter F in red, yellow, and purple. Now, it's time to learn how to write the letter G. To write the letter G, we start with a circle at the top, and then draw a curved line that goes down and to the right. Then, we add a small curved line to the left of the circle. Finally, we add a straight line at the bottom. Let's write it together and color it. Now we have orange, purple, and red letter G. Next, let's learn how to write the letter H. To write the letter H, we start with two straight lines down and then draw a line across that connects them at the top. Finally, we add another line across in the middle. Let's write and color it together. Now we have pink, yellow, and purple letter H. Moving on to the letter I. To write the letter I, we simply draw a straight line down, like this. Let's color it together. Now we have blue letter I. Amazing! Last but not least, we have the letter J. To write the letter J, we start with draw a small line across at the top. Then, we add a long straight line that goes down and to the left with a small hook at the bottom. Let's write it together. Have red yellow letter J. Great job, everyone! Now you know how to write the letters F, G, H, I, and J. Keep practicing and have fun with it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos. Thanks for watching!